Effortlessly mashed potatoes with mini stainless steel potato press masher, comfortable wooden handle, and safe design. Detail: the mini stainless steel potato press masher is a must-have kitchen tool for efficient potato mashing. With its sturdy construction, comfortable handle, and scalding and anti-skid design, enjoy safe and hassle-free mashing. Effortless food chopping with cordless mini food processor, portable and efficient kitchen appliance. Detail: the cordless mini food processor is a versatile and portable tool that simplifies your food preparation tasks. Enjoy effortless chopping of vegetables, fruits, salad ingredients, onions, garlic, and more with this user-friendly appliance. Effortless mixing with wireless electric egg beater, rechargeable and versatile kitchen tool. Detail: the wireless electric egg beater is a convenient and portable kitchen tool for all your mixing and beating needs. Enjoy effortless whisking of eggs, beating cream, and preparing batter with this rechargeable appliance. Easy to use and clean for hassle-free cooking and baking. Enhance your culinary creations with the Potato Wavy Edged Tool Peeler. Create fun and decorative cuts. Detail: the Potato Wavy Edged Tool Peeler is a versatile kitchen gadget that allows you to create unique and decorative cuts on potatoes, fruits, and vegetables. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this easy-to-use tool adds a fun and visually appealing touch to your dishes. Effortless noodle draining with the 35 cm Japanese-style noodles colander, perfectly cooked and well-drained noodles. Detail: the 35 cm Japanese-style noodles colander is a versatile utensil designed for efficient noodle draining. Its fine net spoon and long handle also make it great for serving fruits, vegetables, and more. Upgrade your kitchen with this durable and multi-purpose colander for perfectly cooked and well-drained noodles. Please subscribe 24 Bazaar channel. Like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.